Do you swear or affirm the testimony you provide today is the truth, whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, Your Honor.
State your name, please.
James Shire.
Thank you, Mr. Shire. What would you like to say?
As everyone knows me, as the crime that was committed on August 30th, 2024, I understand that would be the face of me for the rest of my life. But prior to that, I had nothing to do with any criminal activity, not a gang member, not a criminal, certainly not a killer. The only thing that I can do for the rest of my life is express my apologies and remorse to the family of Mr. Terry Taylor. I will forever be sorry. It was not intentional, and as I've heard throughout the entire time of today, what it looks like, and it can look like anything it wants to, but I know what truly happened that night. It was not intentional. That was my best friend. I spent every waking moment with him riding dirt bikes, riding quads, working on cars. Turbo was my best friend. I looked at him as a big brother. I understand that that's not gonna bring him back, and I understand the words that I say today is not gonna bring him back. But I accept full responsibility for my actions that night. I am truly sorry to the family. The only thing that I ask is to just be lenient. That's it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Sentencing hearing having been held, defendant stands before the court convicted of second-degree homicide, operating with a license revoked, causing death, and failure to stop at the scene of a death. There is no prior juvenile record, no prior misdemeanors, no prior felonies. Mr. Shire, I believe that you are not a criminal. You are, however, a killer.
The charge that was brought on today and the charge that I put out today does not define my name, does not define me as a man. It does not define you.
Sir, the fact that there is a person who is no longer, don't interrupt. The fact that there is a person who is no longer here means that you are a killer. You killed someone. I can't imagine a circumstance whereby on what is probably supposed to be your happiest day, you have now lost your best friend. You have, for all intents and purposes, lost the physical presence of your wife. And you've murdered someone. And the court reviewed that footage, and it was shocking, to say the least. I give you credit for turning yourself in. I give you credit for accepting the responsibility. This is part of it. Accepting the responsibility. You have to accept the responsibility that there are children who will grow up without a parent because of you. You may.
I'll take responsibility for that. And I will just want to tell you this negative continue to line between one of their parents. I, like I said, will express the remorse and apologies to them for the rest of my life. For the rest of my life, I completely detest it. The only thing that I ask is don't go above this 125 months, please.
Thank you. Court is going to go above 225 months. You cannot take back what happened. I believe that you will regret it for the rest of your life. I believe you will be sorry for the rest of your life. Your attorney indicated that you will have to live with this for the rest of your life. The key word in that sentence is live. There is someone who is no longer living. And this is the period at which, I suppose you could say, you man up and take that.
Take it.
Yes.
I take it, but as I said, it was not on purpose. It was not intentional.
I don't believe that you set out that morning seeking to kill someone.
I didn't seek out at that moment to kill the woman.
We disagree.
I
Sentence.
came back to get my
You should have done that. Sentencing hearing having been held, defendant stands before the court. No prior felonies, no prior misdemeanors. 24 years of age. This is a homicide, sir. The grace that you were shown, or that you're asking the court to show, was reflected in this matter being amended to second-degree murder and not open murder, for which you could have served a sentence of life without parole. You will get out. You will be. You will have lots of time left in your life. Simply put, the victim in this case doesn't have that, and that has to be. There has to be a consequence. You are sentenced to 30 years to life with credit for 618 days. You will receive credit for 618 days. There is a crime victim rights fee of $130 and $204 state minimum cost. There is restitution, Mr. Ross.
Let's minute, Judge. If something comes up, I will notify the court, but I've asked the family, I don't think we had anything. I think,
You're asking
bills
if-
are covered, so there will be a restitution.
I'm sorry, there won't be?
There won't be, Judge, no.
All right. The court will not address restitution. Presumably, if there is an issue, that will be handled by other means. Counsel approach. Oh, yes. Strike that. Amending the sentence. The court cannot issue a 30 years to life sentence. The court will issue a sentence of 30 to 40 years. Again, credit for 618 days. I'm manning your attorney your notice of appellate rights, Mr. Shira. You'll sign one copy. That copy will come back to the court. You'll keep the other for your records.
Judge, is it 30 to 40, or, I didn't hear what you said.
30 to 40, yes.
I think we have to do.
You have to do more.
Do 2/3.
Yes.
45. Yeah, I think 45.
Again, amending the sentence 30 to 45. Thank you. And with respect to count 2 and count 3, the court will sentence as to count 1, 10 to 15. I'm sorry, count 2, 10 to 15 years. Count 3, 10 to 15 years. With credit for 618 days on all counts to be run concurrent. Court is in receipt of the signed notice of appellate rights. Counsel, anything further?
Nothing else on you, Judge. Thank you.
Mr.
Judge,
Miller?
a couple of corrections on the pre-sentence investigation report. First page, and anywhere where it says appointed or retained, I am retained, and the other one is on the front page, it says defendant's name, Shira James Stephen. It should be Shira James Douglas.
No objection, Judge.
Court will adopt those changes. Anything further, Mr. Milhouse?
No, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right. Good luck to you, sir.
Inside the courtroom, all eyes were fixed on one man, the man who kept insisting he was innocent, But the judgment standing before him told a very different story. He repeated again and again that it wasn't intentional, just a tragic accident, but the judge's words shook the entire courtroom. Everyone listened, as a single moment of mistake changed multiple lives forever. And when the final verdict was announced, the whole room fell into silence. No one knew how to react to what they had just heard.